What I like to tell people about the dentist is that when you go in to Dr. Saidi's office, you're gonna feel comfortable there. You know, you're gonna be welcomed, but you're also gonna be made to be at ease. You know, you don't have any anxiety, at least I don't when I'm here. It's a very relaxed atmosphere, very professional. The equipment, I think, is top of the line. I know that both dentists, Dr. Saidi particularly goes to study the most advanced technical practices in dental medicine, and he's doing the latest and the best that is out there for his patients. I want that from a dentist. I want to know that you are current in what's the best technology, right? I had a dentist, as I mentioned. He was a great guy. He was my childhood dentist, but he was really old school, you know? Now that I see what they do, modern dentistry does, I realize that he was doing what they had done 40 years ago. And that's okay, but I want to buy new technology for myself. I want to buy the new cars with the technology. It's safer for us, it's better, it's a better quality of life. And dental health is important to your overall body health. So I want my teeth to be healthy, I want my gums to be healthy so that my body's healthy. And I want every advantage I can get when I come to a dentist. And I think that they have all the best technology here and all the best equipment. I'm really thankful that I met Dr. Saidi and SoFi Dental. I'm really thankful that I have a great, reliable, quality dental care in Miami where I live. And I'm gonna bring my son here. So it's something that you can pass on to your family and friends. And I'm always about promoting people that are good to me in life. So not just dentists, but anyone whose business I think is good, I'm gonna promote them. I'm not gonna talk negatively about others, but I am gonna promote the positives, you know? So I'm happy that I'm here. I'm gonna tell everyone, this is a great dentist, come here.